I promise to provide for you. I promise to pray for you and me, to pray for us. I promise to always put you first. And I promise to love you and never stop loving you for the rest of my life.
Oh.
Here's something I never told you. Although she's not here in the physical form, but I know she is spiritual. My mother gave me the go-ahead blessing after the first time she met you. I asked her, I said, Mom, what you think about her? And she replied to me, boy, if you don't marry her, you will be the dumbest man to walk the face of the earth. And today I'm so glad that I'm not the dumbest man to walk the face of the earth. Thank you for taking this broken man, fixing him back up, and loving me unconditionally. I love you.
The angels, this assembly, and God himself. Many know you by Chrissy, many know you by Mike, but for the first time today, you are Michael and Krishanda Love. You may salute your bride.